Hello everyone. In today's video we will talk about A to Z keyboard shortcuts. So let's begin with the topic. Control A, select all. Control B, bold. Control C, copy. Control D, font. Control E, center. Control F, find. Control G, go to. Control H, replace. Control I, italics. Control J, justify. Control K, hyperlink. Control L aligns the line and selected text to the left of the screen. Control M indents the paragraph. Control N, new. Control O, open. Control P, print. Control Q, clear indent. Control R, right side. Control S, save. Control T, left indent. Control U, underline. Control V, paste. Control W, close tab. Control X, cut. Control Y, redo. Control Z, undo. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.